The best Christmas gifts of 2023, for everyone you know. Whether you're shopping for friends, family, or coworkers, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for the perfect Christmas present for your mother-in-law, best friend, coworker, spouse, or brother, you want to give something unexpected and thoughtful, but equally useful and relevant to their interests, that can be a tall order, especially when you're trying to stick to a set budget, and rushing to find just the right thing in time for your holiday exchange. The stress of shopping for gifts is one reason why this season can be both magical and chaotic. Holiday gifting is so special, says Peggy O'Brien, co-founder of Poppy Gifting, but it can also creep up and become a chore during an especially busy season. Number 1. Skylight Calendar. The holiday season signals the start of a new year, so a fresh calendar is one of the best Christmas gifts to consider. We like this digital pick from Skylight, which makes it easy to keep track of schedules in a busy household, and can be controlled via an app. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. We tested a variety of sewing machines, and this model by Brother was our overall favorite for its versatility. Amongst other features, whether you're shopping for a budding clothing designer, or that one family member that's always fixing their quilts and other blankets, this machine can handle a variety of projects. It was also easy to set up, and we liked the LCD screen, which made it easy to choose which stitch we wanted to use. Number 3. Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine. If you're shopping for that one friend who always hosts the best holiday parties, look no further than the Bartesian Professional Cocktail Machine. The machine uses cocktail capsules and your preferred alcohol to create a cocktail in seconds. You'll be able to choose the strength of the cocktail and feel like you have a bartender at home at all times. Plus, it can also be used to make mocktails as well, so everyone can enjoy a delicious beverage. Number 4. Ninja Creami 7-in-1 Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker is the best Christmas gift for those who have a sweet tooth. With this machine, lucky recipients can turn their kitchen into their own personal ice cream shop, creating custom ice cream flavors and other delicious treats anytime they want to. When using this machine, you can choose from multiple settings, including ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, smoothie bowl, gelato, and milkshake. There's also an option for mix-ins, so you can easily add your favorite toppings. Number 5. Aura Mason Digital Picture Frame. The Aura Mason Digital Picture Frame is one of the best Christmas gifts to consider for anyone in your family. This frame allows lucky recipients to view a slideshow of photos that are added through the frame's phone app. Though users can add their own photos, you can also sync to the frame and add photos as well, which is great especially if your loved ones are long distance. Number 6. AeroGarden Harvest Slim. Whether your loved one is an avid gardener or loves using fresh ingredients while they cook, AeroGarden's indoor garden is one of the best Christmas gifts for them. The system is offered in 5 colors, and includes a power adapter, a bottle of liquid plant food, and a seed pod kit, which features 2 types of basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint. Number 7. AmsChef Slow Masticating Juicer. After testing numerous juicers in our testing lab, this AmsChef was one of our favorites. The unit was able to produce thin, pulp-free juice, so it's a great option for those who like to make their own beverages. We also like that it features a protection chip that stops it every 20 minutes, making it a safer pick. Number 8. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2, 14 ounce. Whether you drink tea or coffee, this Ember mug ensures it'll stay warm through a hectic morning. The set includes a mug and a charging coaster that'll last for 80 minutes, so your beverage will stay at an ideal temperature through a meeting of mornings and getting your children on the school bus. Number 9. Eberjey Giselle Jersey Knit Pajamas. This Eberjey set makes a case for staying in your pajamas all day. The set may be an investment, but it's made of modal and spandex, a combination that makes for a butter-like softness. Plus, the set is offered in multiple colors, so there's an option for everyone's taste. Number 10. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Flow State Tumbler. Inspire them to up their water intake with a Stanley tumbler. This one has an enormous 40-ounce capacity and is double-wall insulated, so it can keep drinks cold for up to 11 hours. Stanley Cup devotees appreciate that these tumblers fit so perfectly in a car cup holder, as well as the different lid positions, including an opening with a seal to hold a straw in place, a regular drink opening, and a leak-proof full-cover top, a tumbler well-suited for commuters and non-commuters alike. Number 11. Angel's Horn Vinyl Record Player. Anyone with a collection of old records in the basement will be thrilled to have an excuse to break them out again. This Angel's Horn Vinyl Record Player delivers excellent sound quality at a reasonable price. Features like classic spin buttons, an adjustable counterweight, built-in phono preamp, and sound isolating feet help make it easy to operate, while Bluetooth audio lets them stream music from their phone as well. Number 12. Modern Picnic The Luncher. If you think a lunchbox can't be stylish, think again. Modern Picnic's designs are made to look like a chic purse, so you'll be able to carry your lunch on the go in style. Modern Picnic offers a variety of sizes and styles, but the luncher is large enough to fit a few containers of food and a beverage. Although it looks like a handbag, it has an insulated interior and magnetic snap closure for easy use. It's offered in a few colors and is made of vegan leather that can be easily cleaned, so you won't have to worry about any spills. Number 13. Bala Bangles. If your loved one is committed to sticking to home workouts in 2024, they're sure to appreciate a set of Bala Bangles. This company has a large following thanks to its cleverly designed fitness products, which manage to make workout gear look like chic works of art. But good looks aside, these 1-pound ankle and wrist weights are incredibly functional and fun to use. They attach with simple Velcro straps, which are strong but easily adjusted, perfect for delivering a bit of resistance for everything from Pilates to bar to her daily walk. Number 14. Therabody Theragun Mini 2nd Generation. It may be the most affordable portable percussion massager in Theragun's range, but the Mini doesn't skimp on power, and in fact, many people say they prefer this smaller size, which is just right for travel. It's ideal for soothing sore muscles after a day skiing or hiking, or your recipient can just leave it under their coffee table for an end-of-day massage while they watch TV. They'll soon wonder how their muscles ever lived without it. Number 15. Nerd Chef Steel Stone. If they've been perfecting their homemade pizza making game lately, a pizza stone can help take their skills to the next level. Made of precision laser-cut, low-carbon American steel, this one is designed to transfer more heat than ceramic alternatives. At 0.25 inches thick, this is Nerd Chef's thinner, and therefore more affordable stone, though you can also upgrade to the 0.50-inch thick stone for an even higher heat transfer, and even crispier crust. Number 16. Meter Plus with Bluetooth Repeater. Your family's grill master is sure to appreciate a meter. This smart thermometer lets home chefs monitor the internal and ambient temperatures of meat, as well as estimate remaining cook time from anywhere in the house. Thanks to the corresponding app, it works well on both indoor oven, stovetop, and outdoor smoker, grill, rotisserie cooking surfaces, and has an impressive 165-foot wireless range. Number 17. Garmin Approach S62. Serious golfers swear by Garmin GPS watches, which act like a digital caddy on your wrist. The Approach S62 has shot tracking, can suggest clubs based on wind speed and direction, and contains more than 42,000 preloaded courses, all on a sleek 1.3-inch touchscreen. Number 18. W&P Porter Seal-Tight Bowl. If their New Year's resolution is to bring their lunch to work more often, they'll need a solid container to carry those leftovers in. W&P Porter's 24-ounce lunch bowl is completely leak-proof, highly portable, not to mention stylish enough to inspire them to stick to their resolution. Choose from 5 chic colors including cream, mint, and blush. Number 19. Marcato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. Let's call this the best Christmas gift for that person who is dreaming of an Italian vacation, the next best thing. Homemade pasta, made in Italy. Marcato's Atlas Pasta Machine enables home cooks to roll and cut pasta dough in 3 shapes: lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini. There are 10 thickness settings that are easy to adjust depending on their preference. Number 20. Trigger Point Grid 1.0 Foam Roller. One of the most effective ways to ease tight muscles at home is with a foam roller, and Trigger Points is one of the very best. The patented design has a multi-density foam exterior over a hollow core, ideal for accessing sore spots. At 13 inches long, this roller is small but mighty. Users rave about how durable and long-lasting it is, and appreciate that it also holds up to 500 pounds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.